Hi guys, welcome to the EOD chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for 9th of September. Let's see how market performed today. It was a beautiful day guys for option selling. A beautiful day for option selling. Um, why I'm saying so? Let me show you in the charts. So this is Nifty, and when Nifty started, when Nifty opened, it actually opened with a gap down, and it entered into a CPR zone. Guys, if you're watching my videos, I have already told you what is a CPR zone. Whenever the market enters into CPR zone, you actually enter into a range bound market. And this was a scenario not for Nifty but for Bank Nifty also. See, Bank Nifty also entered into a CPR zone. So in my previous videos guys, I have told you very clearly, whenever such situation occurs and the market enters into CPR zone, there is not much of a work left for option buyers. They can just close their terminal and go for a nap or a movie. Sorry to say, but this is how market works guys. Option selling, you can make money three ways: market going up, down, and flat market. For option buyers, unfortunately, there are only two ways: market going up or down. When market is flat, their trades will not work, and this is the same situation would have happened today. If any of you who was doing option buying must have realized this. Anyways, coming back to the chart analysis, guys. Market opened with a gap down and entered into a CPR zone. Guys, please understand and write it down somewhere. Whenever market entered into a CPR zone, there is a high probability that it will be a range bound market, unless and until it comes out of it. During the whole day, market tried but could not do that. Point number two, you have to write it down somewhere. CPR, this, look at this CPR. This is a thin CPR. This is a big CPR, like a wide CPR. Whenever a wide CPR comes, guys, there is a high probability that it will going to be a range bound day again. So I gave you two indications how to check if it will be a range bound day or not. Number one, when market enters into CPR zone, there is one click, and number two, when it is a thick CPR. Both the tick were made today. And third also, I'm giving you third point also. If Nifty or Bank Nifty, any one of them are in CPR range, in this scenario, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, they both were in CPR zone. Since the beginning of the day, we were clear that where the market will head. See guys, you have to understand one thing very clearly. If you are thinking of becoming a consistent profitable trader and you are dependent on technical analysis is what is it is basically a chart reading. So if you are thinking of becoming a consistent profitable trader, not like someday you earn and then 3 days you are giving back to the market and then you earn and then this bell curve is happening. No, I'm talking about consistent profits. So I take this very personally whenever I'm teaching someone, my students or people who are attending my webinars. If you want to become a consistent trader, profitable consistent trader, you have to understand one thing. Please write it down somewhere. You have to read charts. You should know how to read charts. Whenever you think of taking a trade, you should know, boss, Before taking a trade, I have to read a chart. The same thing happened in the morning also. When we opened our terminal, I actually I want to do this video somewhere later, but because right now the topic has come, so I actually start my terminal somewhere around 6 o'clock. Why I do that? Because not because of chart readings. I have to do few stock market related things. I will be showing this very interesting what I do at 6 o'clock in the morning and about in the stock market. I'll show you this in my upcoming video, hopefully. Okay, I genuinely read chart. Whenever I am thinking of taking a trade, I actually start with a thorough chart reading. Somewhere around 9:16, I got an idea that it will be a range bound market. I actually got an idea before, but I'm telling you, when my market opened, it actually entered into the zone, and here my trades were set. What I have to do: strangle, straddle, whatever option strategy you are using for selling. Today was a Thursday expiry, guys, so it was a clear cut day. Met all our targets. There is not much of explanation to be done on such charts, guys. Anyways, for EOD sake, I will be doing some. So let's begin. Nifty actually opened with a gap down, entered a CPR zone. Here it will be facing, when a CPR is wide, it will be having a strong resistance and support. To double that, there was a virgin CPR also above it. We are talking about Nifty. There was a virgin CPR also above it, and there was this market tried to go down, but there was this support which was holding it. So pushed the price, went up. There was this resistance. It faced, gave a breakout. However, it actually took a reversal. Virgin CPR and Nifty, Bank Nifty was in the range. I told you both of them work in synchronicity. Guys, listen to this very carefully, what I'm telling you. Even if this, please understand what I'm saying. Even if, let's imagine, Nifty would have given a breakout from here. Yeah, let's imagine there are candles which are market is making. Because Bank Nifty work in synchronicity, do you think it will give a rally? When I'm saying Nifty has come out of this CPR zone, will it give a rally if Bank Nifty is still in CPR zone? No, guys, it will not give. Why? Because I told you they both work in synchronicity. It also has to come out of CPR zone to give a trending day. Very valuable information. To take a trend, or to give for market to give a trend, they both have to come out of CPR zone. Nothing happened like this. Moreover, it was a wide CPR. I told you wide CPR means range bound market. One more thing I told you, it actually entered into CPR. So the market was very crystal clear from the beginning that it will not give any chance for option buyers. There is this very common. I'm sure if someone is able to pull out NSE's detailed report for today, what happened with option buying, a lot of people would have got trapped. Why? Lack of knowledge, guys. It is simply lack of knowledge. These people don't know how to take a trade. Learning is very important. If you're not taking this seriously, you're actually gambling in the market. If you actually know something, it is super easy. But if you don't know, it is like a nightmare. I'm sure there are a lot of people who would have taken option buying today. First, expiry day. Second, such range bound market. Still, why? Lack of knowledge. Guys, I just want to tell you one thing. Um, Sharpen your skills. If you will sharpen your skill, nothing will come in your way to become a professional, consistent, profitable trader. If you have any query, guys, you can write to me.